We're looking at that Husqvarna 372 XPW 75cc motor. This one features a 28-inch Husqvarna bar with new chain. That's a chisel bit chain. Skip sequence. Skip is the spacing between the teeth. You can see there's spacing between the teeth. Square tooth, very nice cutting chain. That is a sprocket nose. Now we'll look at some of the features this saw has. Kill switch on the left here. Chokes on the right. Got an operator presence lever right here. You won't throttle up unless your hand's in place. Real nice hand protector right here. In case of a chain throwing incident, helps protect your hand. Functions as a foot pad when starting this high compression motor. Put your foot in the pad there, get a good grip on the handlebar, and you start this saw. Heavy duty air filter. Got the wrap handlebar. Quiet tone muffler. Two falling spikes, inside and outside. Real nice tensioner for the barn chain. Loosen the two nuts up. There's the screw on the side. Real easy to get at. Very nice feature. Blue button here is a decompression valve. When starting this high compression motor, push that button in. It'll decompression the cylinder and make it a lot easier to start. Pops out automatically, so every time you start this saw, make sure you push that in. Make it a lot easier to start. Just a very powerful chainsaw. We'll go outside and make a cut with it.